field to the right. And snow just blowing across. We were just in a whiteout condition a little while back. You couldn't see 50 feet in front of you. Where we have weeds growing in the field, there's no snow blowing across. Where there's corn cut down or no weeds. It was really bad back there where we had the whiteout. They had looked like a prairie fire. There was no grass anywhere. There was no corn stalks, nothing. It was just burned down to the ground.
Why?
The snow just blowing across. Right, here we go. I can't see more than about 80 feet. We're down to 5.7 miles to a gallon. And I have no choice. I gotta keep going because we got today, tomorrow, and Thursday to get out there. I gotta at least get close to. I gotta give myself a fighting chance. I need to at least get another 125 miles or so. And check the weather again when we stop. Get out by Denver. It's not supposed to be so bad. Come on, Denver. Oh, man. That is us. No, he's broke down. Just going behind that truck, the wind stopped, and I don't know if you saw the truck jerk sideways or not. And they had this off today. I hate this. It's times like this. Just buying land in the Philippines and moving sounds pretty good, but
See, that's what you like to live here.
well, being a truck driver in the United States, you can't escape the snow. It's impossible to stay down south all winter and make money. So it doesn't matter where we live, it's where we gotta drive to. But it's not my first rodeo. Doesn't mean I like it. It's not my first rodeo. See what happens. I want to keep going because I saw the radar. I saw everything that points to not too far into Colorado. We start to get on the other side of this. The storm's blowing like directly down from the north, and we're the widest part of the storm happens to be on I-70 where we're at. If we could just get halfway through the storm towards the other end, it won't be quite as bad. Might even pick up a little bit of a tailwind, help our fuel mileage. We're down to 5.6 now. It's getting worse. But we should average enough the rest of the trip that we'll be okay. In my humble opinion, if I didn't have to stop that half hour, we would probably just about be out of this by now. But
There's a truck that putting the
salt truck.
truck.
Yeah.
Car, is there a car in front of you? Is that the hold up or?
What an adventure.
Oh my God, yeah, it's scary.
We're
I am a
going.
little nervous on this place because the ice, I mean the too much snow, and then you can see in front right now.
I can see out my side, but the wind's hitting on May's side, so it's freezing her side up. We're
Oh
We're doing about 37 miles an hour, and actually I'm going to back it down because I changed my mind on where we're going today. There's a Love's. It's actually the first truck stop we come to. It's 39 miles from here. And at the speed we're traveling, it's going to be an hour until we get there. It's definitely deteriorated. Can they even see out your side, huh? How about if you hold it right like over here or something? And I literally can't see more than maybe 60 feet in front of me.
I think this is my first experience of snow like this, honey.
I think so, yeah.
Oh my god. You can see the in front of you and also in here, in the views here in the park, you can see farther because of the what was that, the white on the snow?
Yeah, the snow. These are brand new wiper blades. Brand new, just put on yesterday. But it's 20 degrees. It's like 40 mile an hour sustained winds and snowing like crazy. Not just snow, but the snow blowing off, blowing from the plains onto the highway.
It's hard to drive on that morning like this compared to the nighttime, right? Because you can see the car.
Yeah, nighttime you can see it a little better, believe it or not, at nighttime. This is kind of like fog.
Yeah.
You can't see the taillights as well in the daytime. At nighttime you can see them. I just want to get to this truck stop, and we're shutting her down. It won't be too bad. We'll leave 1,250 miles to go in 2 days. That's 625 miles each day. Actually, a little less than that. So we're going to be stopping at a truck stop just short of where the delivery is. So I'll have to travel about 45 minutes Friday morning into where we're delivered. Thank God we can see a little now. It's gotten much better.
Yeah. Here you can see in front of you, if there's a car on that, you can see now.
Yeah.
But in a while, oh my goodness, it's scary.
Well, what's going on here, guys, is this has been the whole way. Things will be good, and now I can tell you right up in front of us, we're about to drive into another squall, and we literally won't be able to see. And then we'll get out of that, and you just start to relax a little bit, and then you're right back into another one. And it's just been that way the whole way.
The storm snow is following us, honey.
I think so. Yeah, see, there we go now. We're almost in white out again.
Yeah, another again. You can see again in front of you.
Sorry all you guys are seeing is videos of snow, but for obvious reasons, there's not much scenery we can show you. We're just, I was down to 5.5 miles to a gallon. I'm back up to 5.6 miles to a gallon now. That gives you any idea how hard the wind's blowing. Normally with this load, I'd be at about 8.5 miles to a gallon. So it's just not worth it. It's not worth the risk. It's not worth the fuel we're wasting. It's not worth the drive time I'm burning. So we're pulling the plug at Love's Travel Plaza number 300, just outside Denver. I'd like to be on the other side of Denver. This is just on this side, but at this point, I don't care. Now we're in white out again.
You have to see who go into this area.
afraid to, because we came up on that one car that was going about 20 miles an hour. Nobody's in this lane. We're getting good grip. I just can't see where I'm going. I can see this solid yellow line on my left. So I kind of like it here. Nobody else wants to be in the left lane. So I just been kind of following this yellow line even when I can't really see where I'm going. I just keep that yellow line right beside my truck and we're good. And now, can you guys see that truck? Now you can.
Now you can see the truck in front.
I mean, that's why I don't want to be in the right lane, because if he were doing 20 or 25 miles an hour, I would have had to react pretty fast to avoid him. And I'm not driving fast, guys, believe me. We're going pretty slow. But
Oh my goodness.
we'll end this up when we get to the truck stop, so you guys know we made it. But until then, just hang in there. All right, guys. So we made it. I don't know what I told you, 38 miles, 35 miles to the truck stop. And the sun's shining. Kind of shining. But at this point, we didn't care anymore. The truck stop we were going for was only 45 more miles up the road. And with this wind, and I'm getting horrible fuel mileage. So I told man, we're just gonna pull in. Maybe get up in the morning, that'll be 45 miles we can run not in the wind. If it is windy, that's no big deal. All this means is I'll have to run about 620 miles tomorrow, 620 miles the next day. If we made it to the other place, I was going to need to run 600 miles, so it's only 20 minutes more each day. In fact, if things are decent tomorrow, I might just go for it and see if I can knock out 670 miles to make Thursday easy. May's in her jammies. She's got her heavy winter coat on.
Hello.
We had enough of it for one day. So, thank you for watching, everybody. Please subscribe, comment, share, and like. Until next time.
Take care.